wish I could chill with you right now, but I gotta make this video. See you soon. What's really good? It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. This is going to be an unboxing and review. Let's go ahead and get right into it. First off, while I do this, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. You feel me? Now, what we got right here is a shipment from DTLR. So they sell all types of sporting goods, you know, athletic wear, shoes, stuff like that. And what I got here, you see the box. You see the box, man. Size 10, the one and only Air Force One. Classic, you feel me? We're rolling with the classics right now. This is gonna be a perfect summer shoe. Let's get into it right here. We got the Air Force One paper. We got the all white with the navy. You feel me? Can't go wrong with the navy, man. Let's go ahead and get a closer look on that. All white shoe, very simple. This is gonna be a quick video, man. This is very simple. I will bust the on foot, so go ahead, check out the on feet portion of it. You feel me? But we have the navy blue, everything else all white. We got the navy blue right here on the tongue. You feel me? Navy blue on the heel tab, navy blue swoosh. Everything's looking good, man. Now DTLR, I don't really go to them often. I just was looking up different Air Force Ones. These popped up. They had them. This is actually a pretty good. I don't know if you can see that that leather, but it almost seems like a premium leather that they're using on these. But what I did was $90 retail, right? I put it in my cart. I left it for a day. Guess what? The next day, email popped up. Get 10% off your order. You left something behind. I knew I was gonna get these anyway, but I just took that 10%, saved $9. They charged no tax, and the shipping was free. So these were $81 out the door. So you can't really beat that. If you go on Nike's website, you're gonna pay the full 90 plus tax. Now you don't pay shipping if you're a part of the Nike Plus family. But these are nice, man. It has the navy blue Nike Air on the insole. I mean, it's just a really classic shoe, man. You can't go wrong with it. We got the other one right here, man. They look good. This is a good looking shoe. It's not an everyday shoe. Whenever you bust something that's all white or majority white, it's not gonna be an everyday shoe. You're gonna have to, for one, spray it with some protector. I mean, you can be crack protect, rejuvenator, or whatever. You feel me? None of them pay me, so whatever spray repellent you use it. But yeah, I'm gonna put these on feet, man. Show you what they look like. Thank you for checking out my video. Please make sure to subscribe. I got more stuff coming. If you like forces, I got more forces coming. I got some other stuff coming too. So make sure you subscribe, turn on the notifications, leave a comment, talk to me, I talk back. It's Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.